LED strip stopped working? Don't throw it away just yet. I'll show you how to quickly find a burned out diode with a multimeter and replace it without a soldering station. We won't need a hot air gun. Just grab some aluminum tape and stick a small piece on the back of the strip. This acts as our heat shield against the open flame. Clamp the board down. Gently heat the spot from underneath using a regular torch lighter. As soon as the factory solder melts, carefully pick off the dead diode with tweezers. Keep the heat applied and immediately drop the new LED right onto the hot pads. Make sure to check the polarity. Remove the flame and give the solder a couple of seconds to cool. The diode is locked in place. Let's do a quick test with the multimeter. The circuit is fully restored and the new diode is working exactly as it should. Peel off the protective tape. You'll notice a little bit of soot left from the flame on the back. Just take a cotton pad with some rubbing alcohol and wipe the surface down until it's perfectly clean. The repair is complete, clean, functional and done without any specialized tools. If you plan to build this later, save the video.